Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create a quick intro and outro video for YouTube. I want to show you an example of what I did and we're going to get right into it. First, let's go into Canva. You're going to create a design. You're going to look up YouTube channel art. Now I'm going to go into elements. I'm going to look for glitter, background, white. So into videos. Sorry about my sniffling. I literally have allergies, and a lot of people are asking why I'm using this microphone. It's because it's really early in the morning. Like 5 in the morning, I'm doing these videos while my kids are sleeping. So let's use this background. So you're going to click on the 3 dots and set it as background. Now I already have my photos uploaded. If you want to upload your photos, you obviously save it onto your computer and then you click on the photo and then click on upload. I already have it saved. Let's do this one. You're going to click on the photo and you're going to go to background remover, which is the BG remover. There. I'm just going to enlarge this. Okay, so we're going to make this very simple, very quick. I have our other photo here, background remover. I'm just going to make the photo roughly the same size as this one. That looks good. And now I'm going to go to right here, which is the transparency. So here you can play with how transparent you want it. So I want it pretty transparent, and I also want it black and white. So let's go into edit, go to filter, see all, scroll down, and I'm gonna pick something like this. I really like this one. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm gonna click on position and I'm gonna put it behind this photo here. So go to backwards, you see that? And go to forward, it'll be like that, backwards. So this one is forward, this one's backwards, and we're gonna go back to our photos, and I believe I used this one. Just gonna make it bigger, and I'm gonna remove the background again. Now, if you have a lot of hair that's floating around, you can always go into click on the edit background again, and you can manually go in and you can zoom in and you can manually delete the hair. So delete whatever, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to reset the tools. So I'm going to click out of this. There we go. And I believe I twisted this photo. So here you can toggle it around. Let's go to transparency, and I'll lower the transparency a little bit. Okay. And you can always play around with the filter to see whatever you like, whatever looks good. That gave it a pop of color. So let's change that. Okay. I'm also going to make this photo behind here a little bit bigger. It looks nicer. Don't stress out too much when you're designing. Designing is supposed to be fun. There we go. Okay, I think I like that. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to click on animate because I have the photos coming in. This was rising up. Okay, so you can click on go to animate. So let's kick out of here. Click on the photo. It'll say animate here because I've already chosen the rise. So and you can play with the speed as well. Let's see, on exit or both. No, let's do on enter. Okay, so, and then move that over. And this will, let's see, this will fade in. Okay, so that's good. I'll move this back. If you like the position of this, you can always lock the photo so it doesn't move around. So when you play with this, you can toggle around a lot easier. So once I'm happy with the position, I'll lock that in. And then I'll go to the next photo. I'll drag it back here. Kind of like this. Okay, so let's go back here. Animate. Okay, so let's do that. And then next you're going to go to text and you're going to add in text box. If this is your channel, you put your name. So let's look for text. Okay, there we go. And here you can also play around with the spacing of the letters. So if you want a little bit bigger, you want a little bit thinner. So there. I'll do another text box, and I have her last name. You can also drag the box by the corner there, and that will make your font bigger or smaller. Badoni. Badonky donk. Okay, so that's the text that I have there. And this photo here, I also wanted the transparency a little bit lower. Okay. And this text is the artist script. Okay. And here I believe I have it, the line spacing a little bit further out. Okay. So let's just put that right there. Again, just play around with it, see what looks nice, guys. This a little bit smaller. I think I'm happy with that. Okay. Here I also have animate. Let me see. Okay, so I have the last name faded in. So animate. Oh. So that was rise, but it was rising down. So click down. Yep, there it is. Let's play with the speed. Okay, I like how that looks. So perfect. So that's good. And then here I believe I also added some effects. Just a little bit of a little shadow. Let's do that. So perfect. So let's play this one more time. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to add a page. So next one we're going to do this part. Connect with me. Okay. Now what I've done is I've gone over to my phone and I recorded, I screen recorded. All right, guys, so if you guys are on your iPhone, swipe down and you'll see the record button right there. Once you press it, it'll count down from 3, 2, 1. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go into your Instagram page, and you're gonna start recording your page. Once that's done, you're gonna get up. Now you're gonna go back into your photos and crop out the video that you just recorded. And then I'm gonna edit to your desired size, and then you're gonna press done. After that, you're going to airdrop it directly to your Mac if you're editing on your Mac, or you can upload it directly to Canva. Once we've done a screen recording, go back to uploads and we upload that file. Go to videos, and then here, I'm just gonna stretch it out to my desired liking. I'm going to play with the transparency, so I want it like that. Edit, video speed, you can slow down the video, and then you can also change it to a grayscale. Okay. Now you're gonna go into elements and you're gonna click on Polaroid frames. Okay. So Polaroid, and you're gonna look for in frames. There it is. So this is what I used. So what I like to do, guys, is I just like to play around with it. So you're gonna just take a couple out like that. You don't have to fill in the photos yet, but this kind of just gives you an idea of what your page will look like once you have it lined up. This is what I did. So Command C or Control Copy and then just paste. Yeah, so I think I'm happy with that. So there. Now you're gonna go back to your uploads and you're gonna upload all those pictures that you used. Let's see. So use that one here. Let's see which photo I used. That one. Okay. One here, one here. Just put this one here. So once you drag it over, it just populates right into the frame there. Let's just put this one here. There. And that one photo. Okay. I'm going to click this photo here. Okay, so next you're going to put on a text. Connect with me. Oops, connect with me. When I do that, you can also copy this whole thing and paste it there, and then you can add a little shadow. I'll just go and put a white, and you can add a little shadow, and then you can put position backwards. So you can manually do a shadow as well. So this is what I'll do. And so let's just lock the background in place. So click on the background and click on this lock button here so it doesn't move, and then I'll go back to here. So now I'm able to move this without everything on the screen moving. You can also highlight those two that you did, the two texts that you copy and paste, and you're going to group it together. So now once you move it, the shadow and the actual text moves together, so it's just easier to maneuver around. Okay, so connect with me. Now I'm going to find the emojis. So I'm looking for Instagram, and I'll pick this one, shrink it. Let's just change the color. And then more light gray, yeah. Let's do that. Look for Facebook. Let's do that one. And then I want to change the color as well, just so everything is congruent, everything's similar. Let's do light gray. Okay, there we go. And last but not least, we will do TikTok. talk. I just use this round one. Okay, so let's pick this color, change the colors. Let's see, sticks with white. Okay, so let's shrink that. Okay, I want the black to be a little more gray, so let me just go in here. Pick that one. Okay. So once you have that, you can highlight the three and you can click on the three dots. You can align. So you can align center. So it aligns everything together. Here's a little shortcut. Once you have your emojis open, you can click on that and then you're going to click on three dots, align there. So now everything's aligned. And what you're going to do next is going to group everything together. So you can do that. Once it's grouped together, you can make it bigger, smaller. So I will do that. So I also have this animated, the text coming in. Okay, I think I like that. So let's just do that. Now you're gonna add her name, text box, Olivia. Cool. Just gonna drag that over, paste that. Oh. I'm gonna copy and paste it so it's the same size. So Facebook, there you go. And then there you have it. And then you can line it up as well. Align, center. Oh, align to the left. Okay, so that's perfectly aligned. Oh. So let's just play that. Here, once you click on the actual video, you can toggle it shorter. So the intros, I don't want to make it too long because people want to get straight to the point. So if this is a lifestyle intro, let's just take a look. Let's just make this one shorter as well. Do like 5 to 7 seconds is good. So let's do this. Perfect. Let's just make that shorter. And now let's play this one. You can make this come in slower. Let me just take a look here. Animate. Speed. Okay. Now I'm going to add the last page, which is the subscribe page. Okay, so let's do that. I have go to uploads again, go to videos, and I have the same thing in the back. So let's just do that. All right, perfect. So let's change the opacity, change the transparency, and I'm also going to make it, go to filters, and I'm going to make it black and white again. Now I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to look for a phone. Let's look for iPhone, and click on the phone. I want to drag this one over. Go to elements and look for phone, and I'm going to use this phone right here. Drag it. Now I'm going to go back to my uploads. I'm going to upload the photo. Now you can toggle it however you want it. So let's just do that. You can animate the photo as well. The screen recording video, I do want to play it a little bit slower. So what I did was you click on this, you go to edit, and you can see the video speed. Let's do it slower. I'm also going to shorten this as well to 4 seconds. Now you're going to create your subscribe text box. So subscribe. Just gonna make this bigger. Okay. Let's go into effects, and I added a border around it. So this is the simplest way to make a border. It's black, and then you can change your font to white. And now you're gonna click on, go to elements, look for an arrow, or it's finger pointing. So let's say point, finger point. Let's click on that. Let's make this smaller as well. Now you're gonna click on animate, and you're gonna create an animation with that finger. So I'm gonna go boop, I'm gonna go back, boop. I do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna click on the position, and you want the finger to be forward. Okay, so let me just play this again. Click on that, click on layer, show layers. I just wanna make sure that it is in front of the subscribe button. So let's just take a look here. That's perfect. Now, once you're happy with your design, you're gonna go into elements, you're gonna search up AI music. You're gonna create your own intro music. So I'm gonna use this. Let's just say cinematic, central, EDM. Let's just see what I want. Let's just test this out. Okay, so let's try that. Just play around with it, guys. I'm gonna drag it over to make it longer. a little faster. I'm not gonna do central. Let's do okay. Once you're good with that music, or you can do the beat sync. You can sync the music to your actual video, which is cool. Pick the music that you like. So once you're done with everything and added on the music, what you want to do, guys, is you want to share and download this as an MP4 video. You can download all 3 pages or 1 page at a time for when you do upload it to your videos on YouTube. Now, if this design scared you, I do have templates available in the description box. Just easier for you if you don't want to design, and if design is not your thing. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and comment. Let me know what you'd like to learn more in the next videos.